Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to add screen lock on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all we need to do is go to here to settings, then scroll down to privacy and security and privacy, device unlock, here screen lock, and I will put in PIN. You can put pattern or password, but I prefer PIN. Okay, next. Then you need to re-enter your PIN. Confirm. You can choose if you want the notification to show on lock screen. I will choose yes, so that they will show up. Okay, let's show you that the screen lock works. As you can see, it works. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.